This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hi Ho. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the Cottages at Grandpointe, just minutes from Interstate 10 off Scenic Highway. This low-maintenance property offers laminate flooring throughout, no carpet, fresh paint, and a spacious living room. The fully equipped kitchen includes a gas stove, and the primary bedroom features a tray ceiling for added elegance. Step outside to enjoy a brand new wooden deck overlooking a shaded, fully fenced backyard, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. Tucked toward the back of the subdivision, this home enjoys minimal traffic. Just a few doors down, a small neighborhood playground awaits at the cul-de-sac, with an additional playground elsewhere in the community. Some furnishings are available if desired. With quick access to the interstate, you're minutes from hospitals, Navy bases, shopping, the beach, and the scenic views along the highway. Homes in this delightful neighborhood are rarely available, don't miss out. For more information